Hello, 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 hello. Welcome because I have a new video for you. It's gonna talk about say thank you other ways. Say thank you other ways. Thank you. No, it's not thank you, it's thank you. Ok, nou te gade video ki pale de TH la. Thank you. Pe se video sa ko pral jwenn jodi a, différentes l'autre façon pour dire thank you, merci en anglais. You'll probably be tired of saying thank you all the time. You're asking yourself, you're wondering, are there other ways to say thank you? Of course, yes, there are other ways to say thank you. These are some other ways to say thank you in English. Not only thank you all the time. You're gonna learn. I'm going to be teaching you 7 other ways to say thank you in English. I'm coming back. Yes, I am back. I am back to teach you 7 other ways to say thank you in English. But teacher du Kennedy déjà fait une vidéo qui parlait de comment pour dire thank you. Donc, wap jwenn ni pase la, ou ka gade participal la. Et puis, l'on fin gade vidéo pam non, ka gade participal la. Good? Wap genyen plus façon pour dire merci en anglais. Et pas seulement coller avec un thank you. Gende la vous sentez, I say thank you a lot. Moi dis thank you trop. Moi dis l'empile. I say too much. Can I say it other ways? Est-ce que m'ka dire l'autre façon? Yeah, you can say it other way. Yeah. Capable de dire plusieurs autres façons. But it's thank you. You say thank you just to show your gratitude, to show that you're really happy for what the person have done to you. Vraiment reconnaissant pour ça qu'on fait pour vous. You say thank you. Someone dit thank you, but I don't have any problem with you, but you might have a different accent in your country maybe, or where you are. But I know thank you. Don't have any problem with me if I say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Because I have voiceless TH here. I say thank you. Q. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is what it is. Thank you. If you don't want to say thank you, you can say I am eternally. Can you repeat after me? Eternally. Eternally means éternellement. Yeah. Eternally grateful. Grateful. I am eternally grateful. I am grateful. Je suis reconnaissant. I am grateful. Eternally grateful. Réellement ou bien sincèrement moi reconnaissant envers vous. I am eternally grateful if someone has done something extraordinary to you, but you want to say that you really appreciate that. You say, I am eternally, but you just add I am, or eternally grateful. I am eternally grateful. Simply say, je suis vraiment bien réellement reconnaissant. Moi vraiment reconnaissant. I'm vraiment reconnaissant pour ça faire pour moi. Au lieu de dire thank you, simplement thank you, because sometimes you are searching words just to express, because you say a simple thank you is not enough to thank the person. You are thinking about other words, other vocabulary, or other expressions to say to the person, how to just to show that you really grateful. But you can say, I am eternally grateful. I am eternally grateful. Réellement reconnaissant. But not only that, you can say, please accept my deepest thanks. Please accept my deepest thanks. Like, you're driving in a place that you don't know well, and then you're lost. You ask for direction. Ou mande moun pou ka dirige ou pou ka aider ou. Et puis les moun sa dit ça, et puis li di mwen kote pou passer, ou du moins ou te vin an kote oublié et ou gen rendez-vous. Les moun nan fin fè sa pou. Et puis, ou dire, please, accept my deepest thanks. Ça veut dire, s'il vous plaît, acceptez merci ça qui sorti dans fond cœur. Deepest, du plus profond. Thanks. Acceptez merci ça, remerciement ça qui sorti bien fond dans cœur. OK, qui gagne pile valeur pour moi. Acceptez gros merci ça pour moi. Acceptez gros jacout merci ça pour moi. You say, please accept my deepest thanks. Next way, you say grateful for your support. You're gonna put I am. I am grateful for your support. Oh, I'm grateful for your support. Like, machine ou collé en côté, et puis on est là, ou pas qu'à déplacer, la fait noir sous, plusieurs moun mettent tête ensemble là dans la bourse à bourrer. Eh, finalement, là, nous arrivons sortir, on dit, oh, I'm grateful for your support. Guys, I'm grateful for your support. Moi, vraiment reconnaissant pour support, non? OK? Ou du moins, nous cherchons une solution dans l'entreprise là. Et puis tout le monde a cherché. Jamais joindre. Ou du moins, nous cherché un problème qui gagne dans l'entreprise là. Nous cherché une solution, nous pas qu'à joindre. Et puis, tout le monde net mettait à la recherche. Et puis, ils finalement font coalition. Et puis, ils joignent une solution. Hein? Eh bien, laisse ça dit, I am grateful for your support, guys. The boss might say, I am grateful for your support, guys. Moi vraiment reconnaissant pour support, non? Oh, the company get profit. Compagnie a fait profit. Et puis boss là, il a dit, I am really grateful for your support, guys. Because of you, I get success this year. Grateful for your support. I am grateful for your support. Or you can say, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Du plus profond de mon cœur, merci. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Sou gan gwa moun ba manger. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. C'est juste pour montrer mon gens reconnaissant. Next is, I truly appreciate you. I truly appreciate you. Like, you're watching my videos and they are helpful. They help you a lot. My videos help you a lot. And you say, wow, I truly appreciate Teacher Daniel. You appreciate me because how I help you. The way I help you. The way I take care. The way I make sacrifices just to help you. You say, I truly appreciate you. When I say I truly, you say, I truly, moi réellement apprécié. I truly appreciate you. If someone shows that he is honest to you, you say, I truly appreciate you. Donc, comme on a eu comme namel pour faire un projet, pour faire tout bagay, eh bien, il vient avec même petit monnaie qui était dans le projet, il dit, mais calcul. Wow, you're amazing. You are amazing. I truly appreciate you. Montrer mon honnêteté. Ah, wow, impressionnant. Moi, vraiment apprécié. C'est juste une façon pour montrer mon qui sont contents, qui sont satisfaits de ça qu'elle fait pour moi. I truly appreciate you. Moi, vraiment apprécié ça. I truly appreciate that. Même vraiment apprécié. Moi, remercier son façon pour me remercier. I truly appreciate you. Before the last is, thanks for being in my corner. Thanks for being in my corner. Thanks for being in my corner. You know, corner is c'est coin. Corner, c'est coin. When they say, thanks for being in my corner. Merci parce que tu es là autour de moi. Merci parce que tu es là tout le temps dans le travail là. Merci parce que tu es toujours accompagné nous. Parce que vous rendez tel bagage possible. Merci parce que vous faites partie de team nous. Yes. Thanks for being in my corner. Merci parce que tu es dans dôme là comme support qui fait me capable de réaliser grosse campagne ça, grosse bagage ça. Thanks for being in my corner. Thanks for being in my corner. The last is, so glad you're on my team. I'm so glad you're on my team. Je suis vraiment reconnaissant parce que vous faites partie de l'équipe. I'm so glad you're on my team. I'm so glad you're on my team. Vraiment reconnaissant. You'll be learning 7 other ways to say thank you. Eternally, I'm eternally grateful. Please accept my deepest thanks. I'm grateful for your support. From the bottom of my heart, Thank you. I truly appreciate you. Thanks for being in my corner. So glad. I am so glad you are on my team. Thank you so much for making your time to watch me every time or every day. I really love you. And I say, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I love you so much.